The purpose of RxPlore Summer Pharmacy Camp is to expose students to the wonders of what pharmacy actually is. When you ask the ordinary person what pharmacy is, they traditionally think about community pharmacies like Rite Aid and CVS, or even the hospital setting. Those career fields are vital. Pharmacy is that, but much more.
You can find pharmacists active in your community everywhere. They are one of the only healthcare providers who are available to the public with no appointment needed due to the ease of access within pharmacies such as CVS and Rite Aid. On your first day, you will learn the process of medication counseling with a simulated counseling group.
On day 2, we introduce you to the exciting world of the industrial pharmacist, whose job is challenging but rewarding. Industry topics vary from clinical trials and FDA regulation to marketing, and many more. If you haven't found something you like yet, develop it. You can find pharmacists in the hospital or leading appointments in outpatient clinics. On our clinical services day, you'll learn how to take vitals like heart rate and blood pressure, and how to work through a patient case to develop care plans. Then, test your care plan when you meet our patient simulator, the SimMan.
On your 4th day, you'll be introduced to managed care and specialty pharmacy. This day will focus on pharmacists who manage unique and expensive medications. You will also have the opportunity to network with current practicing pharmacists within different areas.
We want to expose you to those fields through fun and engaging activities. There will be competitions and presentations tailored to your interests. You'll learn clinical skills, compounding, and have opportunities for professional development. You'll even be able to take home your medications to show off to your family and friends. Guest speakers will be in to talk to you about the new and upcoming topics in pharmacies and answer any questions you may have. There won't be all work without any play. We will have a variety of activities for you to engage in with other camp participants, at sporting events, our group picnic, and much more. Even if you're unsure about pharmacy or interested in other healthcare fields, this camp will allow you to see all that PharmD can be. What future can you see with your PharmD?